Do you want to create stunning and professional photos without spending any money? I have created all these images using free AI image generators, but not all image AI generators are the same. In this video, I will tell you about 5 AI image generating tools and I will also review them based on certain parameters. But before we begin, please subscribe to the channel. During the video, I will also share a comparative table for you so you can see which parameters I have considered. So first of all, we will start with an AI image generator tool, which according to me ranks at number 5. The name of this AI image generator tool is Meta AI. To create an image using Meta AI, you can enter a prompt in the box below where it says Ask Meta AI. For example, create an image of a dense forest with a waterfall flowing into a lake at sunrise. This is the prompt according to the image I want to create. You can give whatever prompt you like in a single line here. And that's it. After giving the instruction, all you need to do is click enter. In less than 5 seconds, Meta AI created these stunning images for me based on my prompt, waterfall in the forest. You can simply click this arrow and download this AI image for absolutely free. These images got created for me in less than 5 seconds on the basis of a single prompt. The image quality of this AI image generator is also excellent. It gives you not just one but 4 different images based on a single prompt. And if you don't like these images, you can simply regenerate new images based on the same prompt. Meta AI gives you the option to create unlimited free images like these, which is great. But the reason why I'm keeping Meta AI at number 5 is because only one image dimension or aspect ratio is possible to create AI images with Meta AI. If you want to create AI images for different platforms, by changing the aspect ratio, that possibility doesn't exist with Meta AI. Also, if you want to create consistent characters or images with Meta AI, that is also not possible. Due to these reasons, I am putting Meta AI as the AI image generator tool at rank number 5. The AI image generator tool I am placing at rank 4 is called MinMax. You can find its link in the video description below. Just click it to land directly on the site. To create AI images using MinMax, all you need to do is go to the prompt box where it says, what will you create? Simply type a one-line prompt like this. Create an image of a dense forest with waterfall flowing into a lake at sunrise. For the purposes of this video, I'll be using the same prompt with all the AI image generator tools so that we can compare the image quality at the end of this video. After entering your prompt, MinMax gives you the option to choose the aspect ratio. As of now, you can create unlimited images in MinMax. It's completely free. And just like that, within a few seconds, you get high quality detailed AI images based on your prompt. To download this image, simply click on the download arrow and the image is yours, free of cost. It can generate only one image at a time, unlike Meta AI, but the reason why I kept it at number 4 is because of the aspect ratio. MinMax allows generation of unlimited number of AI images, but it doesn't give the option to create consistent characters. That's why I've placed MinMax at number 4. Now, at rank number 3 is Ideogram AI. To generate images with Ideogram AI, you can enter a single line prompt in the box that says, describe what you want to see. For example, create an image of a dense forest with a waterfall flowing into a lake at sunrise. It's the same prompt that we use with Meta AI and MinMax. After entering the prompt, you'll see some settings below. This AI image generator tool allows you to change the image dimension or aspect ratio, which means you can generate AI images for different platforms by selecting a different aspect ratio, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, or anything else. Once you select the aspect ratio, all you need to do is click the generate button. And these are the images that Ideogram created for me based on the single line prompt. It gave me 4 AI images. The image quality is very good, but Ideogram AI does not give you the option to generate 100% free and unlimited AI images, unlike Meta AI or MinMax. However, Ideogram AI has some strong advantages. It allows you to create AI images in any aspect ratio, and it lets you choose from different styles. And if we talk about consistent characters, Ideogram AI can create them, but this feature is only available in the paid version. So even though it produces high quality AI images and supports various styles and aspect ratios, it doesn't offer unlimited free images, and consistent characters are only available in the paid version. For these reasons, I'm ranking Ideogram AI at number 3. At rank number 2 is an image AI generator tool called Leonardo AI. After logging in, you can click on the Launch app. Then use this tool to generate AI images. After that, you'll see an interface with a box at the top that says Type a prompt. To create an AI image, you can enter a single line prompt such as create an image of a dense forest with a waterfall flowing into a lake at sunrise. After entering the prompt, you'll see some options on the left hand side, like selecting a model. You can choose to create your image in anime style, cinematic style, graphic design, concept art, etc. Whichever style you want, you can select it from here. After selecting the model, you can also choose the aspect ratio of your image, which you can use for different platforms. Leonardo AI gives you the option to generate images in different aspect ratios, so you can create images for various platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, etc. And just within a few seconds, Leonardo AI also generated 4 stunning AI images for me based on the same prompt. The image quality is also excellent. To download an image, just click on the arrow button where it says download image, and you'll get the image downloaded for free. With just the free version of Leonardo AI, you can also create consistent characters or images. Leonardo AI gives you 150 tokens per day, which can be used to generate free AI images. These tokens refresh daily, which means that unlike MinMax or Meta AI, it does not offer unlimited free images, but with these tokens, you can still generate multiple AI images every day. So, Leonardo AI has many positives. It provides daily tokens to create several free AI images. Then, the ability to generate images in different aspect ratios, and the ability to create consistent characters even in the free version. For all these reasons, I'll be ranking Leonardo AI on number 2. The image AI generator tool I rank number 1 is called Rave.art. I've shared the link of this and all the AI image generator tools I've discussed in the video in the description box. By clicking on it, you can directly reach the right page. To create AI images using this tool, go to the box below where it says describe an image or drop one here. There you can enter a prompt in a single line. For example, create an image of a dense forest with a waterfall flowing into a lake at sunrise. After entering the prompt, you'll see some settings below, like selecting the aspect ratio. Rave.art allows you to generate AI images in different aspect ratios and dimensions even in the free version. You can also select how many images you want to generate from that prompt. And just within a few seconds, I got very high quality AI images based on my prompt. By using the enhance option, your single line prompt can be expanded into a more detailed one, resulting in even better image quality. To download them, you can simply click on the arrow button and get them for free. This AI image generator tool gives you the ability to generate completely free and unlimited AI images. As of now, you can use it as much as you want to create such images. Using this tool, I also created an image of a young girl wearing a pink dress. If I click on that, I get the option to create consistent character based on that same image, even in the free version. If I click on edit prompt, I get a seed number for the image. By using that same seed number, I can create consistent images of the same girl. So if I want to make an AI video, I can use this tool to generate unlimited free AI images in different aspect ratios and with consistent characters. For all these reasons, I rank this AI image generator tool at number 1. Now we'll compare all the images we created using the 5 AI image generator tools. You can see all the images I generated with the tool I discussed in the video, and you can also see this comparative table. If you want, you can also download this sheet. I will add the link in the description box so you can customize it yourself. Do let me know in the comment which one did you like the most. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you want to create YouTube thumbnails with the help of AI, watch this video I made earlier. I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care and bye-bye.